Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a look on this. Right here. I'm doing a video on this look right here. This is my final fall look because after this I'm going to be moving into more wintry looks, more Christmas holiday looks. Very excited for that. I have a lot of ideas. This is completely optional. I made this today. I bought a bunch of flowers from Michael's and it is fall themed. So I had a lot of fun doing this video. I'm very happy with it. I'm extremely satisfied with how it turned out. It is a mixture of looks, the flushed full freckle with a full glam eye. I'm also going to be showing you guys the Juno microfiber sponge, and I'm letting you know what I think about it in the video. So without further ado, if you are interested in seeing how I created this look and what I think of these sponges, please keep watching. Okay, so priming my skin. My computer is breathing all heavy. My whole face is red. I'm gonna zoom you in since we're gonna start with the eyes. Prime my eyes. It's hot as balls in this house. And this is how we leave our face. Okay, so my eyes are primed. I did use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the light 10. Very pale shade. But I like it as a base because it does help with a flawless finish base. I don't know, I just like using it. Especially when I'm gonna go in with bright colors. I'm doing a little bit different stuff today. Yeah, we're going with a little different look today. Still glam, still awesome. Super fall tribute. It's taken me way too long to get to where we are. So to start, I'm going to go in with the NYX Ultimate Brights palette and take this yellow shade here. I want to glue a mirror on the back of that palette so I can have a mirror. And we are going to buff this into the crease. And while I'm putting this in my crease, I am going to bring it out and down in that outer V area. I'm getting my eyebrows done tomorrow, so no shade please. Also, I'm using a ColourPop E2 brush. It's real fluffy and I really like it. Okay, so now that that shade is down, so I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. Cool. For this, I'm gonna go in with this like warm corally pink shade and then this red shade. And I'm gonna take these on an E9 brush from ColourPop. And that might look harsh, but what I'm gonna do is go back in with that fluffy brush and blend it all together. I'm capturing the essence of fall, or at least trying to. So now I'm going to go in with that red shade, that darker red, and keep it down here. And I am being messy because we're going to cut the crease. We've got that. I'm going to go in with these two purpley shades. I'm going to go in with this lighter one first, and then the darker one last. And I'm going to take my R41 brush from Morphe and start packing the lighter purple in the outer corner and also trying to blend them together. It's a lot of blending, but okay, so now I'm going to go in with the darker purple color and keep this really concentrated on the outer area. I just really don't want this to come out like my last look that I did on Instagram because I feel like it's going to, but I'm really trying for it to not. Okay. So I'm going to go off camera and cut my crease really quick and then figure out where I'm going to go from here. The crease is cut! Now I need... Okay, so now I'm going to go a little backwards here. I'm going to take my Morphe M167 brush. And then I'm going to take the lighter shade and that red shade. Is this coming out how I want it to? Actually, no. I'm not doing this. Okay, so since that didn't work, I'm going to take the lightest shade in the palette here on an R42 brush. So I'm just going to go over the whole area with that color. And then I'm going to go in with Makeup Geek's White Lies, literally a white shade, and just try to brighten this up a little bit. And then before I go any farther, I'm going to take my E10 brush, this little tiny one from ColourPop, and get out any kinks in my cut crease. Okay, now this is where I get stuck and I don't really know what I want to do. I'm going to blend this area here right quick I am going to still use my M167 from Morphe. I'm going to take that red shade from Huda. So I'm just blending my brush back and forth here and trying to diffuse those colors. So I'm mostly taking this on my E10 and mostly trying to focus it, tapering down. I think I'm going to do a wing anyway, so I am trying to get it blended out though. I'm going to try to get this yellow in there too. This video is going to be a long one, guys, I can already tell. I'm taking my Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in white. White is what I'm going to call it. And I'm going to clean up underneath here a little bit. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to take my Urban Decay Heavy Metals Glitter Liner in Midnight Cowboy and put this right along the crease. Or I just cleaned up with that white. Pro tip, do not open your eye, or I should say close your lid. Keep looking down is what I'm trying to say until this dries, because it will get everywhere. I am going to leave this alone for a hot minute and we're going to be super extra with this. Okay, liner's done. You totally don't have to do this part, but I did. And I'm going to take the liner again, the glitter liner again, I'm sorry, and go over the very top of my black liner. And I'm stopping like right before the dip and you go into the wing. All right, I'm gonna move on to my face. I do have my primer down already, and I'm going to be using some new products actually. And I'm gonna be trying out the Juno sponge, the Juno microfiber sponge, these little guys. I've seen them on Instagram and I found them on Amazon for a 4-pack for like $18, I think. And yeah, I thought I'd give them a try. So I'm gonna zoom you out and wet these. I'm back and my sponges are wet. They don't really grow that much, surprisingly. And all right, I guess I'm gonna use this one for my face. The directions say to apply stuff to the back of your hand, because if you put it on the sponge itself, it'll go on too thick. So, like, okay, so the texture's fine. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, I don't know. It's like sitting in certain areas and it says that it's not supposed to do that. So maybe I'm the one who's doing it wrong. I don't know. It's applying really nicely though. I like how it looks. What I'm gonna do is take my finger, dab it on my forehead. God, I'm so pale. Oh, we're gonna definitely warm up our faces. It's okay. I mean, it's fine for a cheapo sponge. It's definitely more inexpensive than a beauty blender. So I'm gonna apply my Born This Way concealer. And this is an almond. This is a lighter shade. So I put this under my eyes, and then I'll use the ColourPop concealer on my higher points. Let's see how this end works. This is a little bit of a different shape. I don't like how not precise it is. I'm gonna go back in with my Morphe sponge real quick and do this. This might be good for like this part of my face, I guess. But I definitely don't want it for like, maybe if I wanted like pounce it down. I don't know. I need the really pointed tip and not like a fat pointed tip, you know? Okay, don't look crazy anymore. I'm gonna take my ColourPop concealer and conceal my forehead, my chin, down my nose, here. Let's see if this works a little bit better for this area. God, I'm so pale. Okay, so as far as these go, I think I'm just gonna have to work with them a little bit more because I don't know how I feel about them. So I'm just gonna keep using my sponges. They did a good job. I don't feel like the application was bad with my makeup. I just can't get in the nooks and crannies that I want to get into. So now I'm actually just gonna set my whole face, I'm gonna set my under eyes, I'm gonna do my contour, then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I'm gonna do my freckles and the super flush look that I'm going for. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I have put my blush on And I went in with my Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in Mellow Wine. This is an OG for me. It's like one of the only blush shades that I'll use. And I just took that and I stamped it with my R4 Morphe brush. And I stamped it on my face. And this is going to be like a weird combination of makeup, I guess. It's going to be like, oh, the flushed look, but also the glam. I don't know. I'm just combining stuff, making this something that I really like. I'm trying to put it around my lips, but it's not really working. So we're going to leave it like that. We're super flushed. And now I am going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit, and I'm going to be using the browns from here to create my freckles. I think I'm going to just go in with the middle color and take the tip of this R45 brush and start dotting away. I'm going to just tap over them with my finger, kind of push them into my skin. As we know, freckles are not all the same size, and they're definitely not all the same shade. So I'll definitely be making some a little bit bigger, some a little bit darker. I don't know if you guys can see. We're just going to bring it over onto where the blush is. Coming out pretty well. So I just went in with my Precisely my brow pencil. I'm almost out of it actually. And I just dotted here and there. It's usually what I use to fill in my freckles here. But I'm literally just dotting all over my face. I'm going to put some on my forehead here because people I know who have freckles don't just have them across their nose sometimes. Just here and there. So I think this is okay for me for now. I'm going to finish up my under eye and pop on some lashes and do my lip, and then I will be right back. Alright guys, so this completes this look. This headband is completely optional. I did make this today. These colors inspired the look in general. So this is my fall finale look, I guess. If you would like me to make you one, please comment below. I'm thinking about selling these since this is like one of the best second floral headbands that I've ever made, so let me know. So I tried to do this kind of blurred out lip, like it's bleeding, the bleeding lip, and it looks pretty good to me. I don't want it to be super smudged out, so I'm very happy with it. I did use MAC's Spice lip pencil and Genevieve's lipstick. It is absolutely beautiful. It is everything I've ever wanted. It's not too nude. It's not too brown, it's not too pink, it's perfect, like she said. I love it so much. And I did add a little bit of the yellow eyeshadow from the Ultimate Brights palette into my blush, just to kind of tie it all together, make it a little less pink and more orangey. Yeah, I really hope you guys like this look. I'm really happy with it. I think I look really cute with freckles. I also just realized I forgot to put on lashes and mascara, and I'm not mad about it. I actually really like it. So, new trend, no mascara, full glam looks, who knows. That being said, thank you guys so much again for watching this video. I hope you all have wonderful Thanksgivings. If you don't celebrate Thanksgivings, I hope you have fun having a day off work, or working, or spending time with your family, or just eating food today. I am going to be in Denver while this is uploaded. I'm going to be with Jack, and very excited, very happy. If you did like this, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you do want to see more videos like this. Love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye. I am so cute. I really like this look. Time to take some pictures. Okay, bye.